When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades offer the same blend of aesthetic appeal, enhanced security, and long-term value as a custom door installation. For residents of Sanford, Florida, investing in a custom door can transform your home in more ways than one, providing benefits that go far beyond mere curb appeal. Whether you are updating your front door, installing patio doors, or creating an entirely new entryway, custom doors can be tailored to fit your exact needs and preferences, making them a smart investment for homeowners. Here's why custom door installation is worth considering. Tailored to your style and home design. One of the most compelling reasons to opt for a custom door installation is the ability to personalize the design to complement your home's unique architecture. Sanford is known for its blend of historic homes, contemporary properties, and suburban neighborhoods, and custom doors allow homeowners to create a cohesive look that reflects their personal style. Unlike mass-produced doors, which may be limited in design, material, and size options, custom doors offer virtually endless possibilities. Whether you want a classic wooden door with intricate carvings, a sleek modern glass door, or a rustic farmhouse-style entryway, you can collaborate with experienced professionals to bring your vision to life. A well-designed custom door can enhance your home's curb appeal and leave a lasting impression on visitors and potential buyers. Improved energy efficiency. Another significant benefit of custom doors is the ability to enhance your home's energy efficiency. Florida's hot and humid climate makes it essential to have doors that are well insulated and capable of maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Custom doors can be designed with high-quality materials that provide better insulation than standard models, helping to reduce the need for constant air conditioning in the summer. Energy-efficient doors can also help you save on utility bills by preventing heat transfer in the winter and keeping cool air inside during the summer. Additionally, custom doors can be fitted with advanced weather stripping and sealing features that help prevent drafts, moisture, and unwanted outside air from infiltrating your home. This added efficiency makes custom doors an investment that pays off over time by reducing your energy consumption. Enhanced security and durability. When it comes to your home's safety, the importance of a strong, secure door cannot be overstated. Custom doors provide an opportunity to upgrade your security features, with options like reinforced frames, high-quality locks, and impact-resistant materials. Given the frequent storms and hurricanes that affect Sanford and the surrounding areas, custom doors can also be designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, offering additional protection for your home and family. Impact-resistant doors, for example, are made with materials like laminated glass or solid steel, providing superior resistance to forced entry, flying debris, and even high winds. This peace of mind is invaluable for homeowners who want to ensure that their homes are safe from both intruders and the unpredictable elements of Florida weather. Four, increased home value. While custom door installation may come with a higher upfront cost than stock models, it can significantly increase the value of your home. In Sanford, where the real estate market is competitive, a well-crafted custom door can set your property apart from others. Potential buyers often look for homes that have unique, high-quality features, and a custom door can be a standout element that adds to the overall desirability of your property. Not only do custom doors improve curb appeal, but they also suggest that a homeowner has invested in maintaining and improving the overall quality of the home. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to make your home more valuable, custom door installation is a worthwhile investment that can yield high returns. Five, long-term cost savings. Though the initial cost of a custom door may seem high compared to mass-produced options, the long-term savings and benefits often outweigh the investment. Custom doors are built to last, using durable materials that require less maintenance and repair than standard doors. The enhanced energy efficiency, security, and weather resistance also contribute to long-term savings by reducing utility bills and the need for frequent replacements or repairs. In Sanford's humid, hurricane-prone environment, investing in a durable, high-quality custom door means you're less likely to face the costs associated with premature wear and tear, repairs, or replacements down the road. Conclusion. For Sanford residents, custom door installation offers a variety of advantages that make it well worth the investment. From improving your home's energy efficiency and security to enhancing its curb appeal and increasing its resale value, a custom door is more than just a functional entryway. It's a lasting upgrade that can transform your home. If you're ready to elevate the beauty and performance of your home, a custom door is a smart choice that will deliver benefits for years to come.